The joint torque from Payload interactive calculator determines the torque requirements for robotic joints carrying various loads. This calculator has 6 calculation modes: calculate required torque, calculate maximum payload, calculate maximum distance, calculate critical angle, calculate joint reaction force, and calculate required motor power. For this demonstration, I'm using calculate required torque mode. You'll input payload mass in kilograms, distance from joint in meters, joint angle from horizontal in degrees, link mass in kilograms, link CG distance in meters, available torque in Newton meters, angular velocity in radians per second, and motor efficiency as a percentage. Let's work through an example. I'm entering a payload mass of 5 kilograms, distance from joint of 0.5 meters, joint angle from horizontal of 10 degrees, link mass of 2 kilograms, link CG distance of 0.25 meters, available torque of 50 Newton meters, angular velocity of 1.5 radians per second, and motor efficiency of 85%. After clicking Calculate, the results show payload torque is 24.15 Newton meters, link torque is 4.83 Newton meters, and total required torque is 28.98 Newton meters. The gravitational force is 68.7 newtons with a horizontal moment arm of 0.492 meters. The status indicates normal operating range. This tool streamlines your joint torque calculations for mechanical design. Find the link in the description below.